Come test drive the 2020 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, parking sensors. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.